Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing some headrest hooks with accessories by Mabett. Let's get them installed and check them out.
A big thank you to Mabett for providing the product for this video. This is a new product by Mabett. It's a couple of headrest hooks which incorporates a cup holder and a 3-speed fan. They're made of a black ABS plastic and includes everything you see here: a cup holder with a rubber insert, a 3-speed fan that plugs into your USB port, and the adapter to mount it to the headrest. Your first step is going to be to remove your headrest. You'll see the headrest panel has a couple of clips on each side. You're going to hook that over the leading edge of the headrest mounting holes and roll it over the top, and then press down firmly to clip them into place. And now you can reinsert your headrest. With those hooks in place, you can see that you still have the full range of motion of your headrest. It goes up, it goes down, it tilts forwards and backwards. Now the cup holder has a rubber insert which stops it from moving up and down once it's been placed in the slot. You attach it to the mounting point and push it down firmly. As you can see, it holds a water bottle with ease. It has a rubber insert as well to stop that moving around. Now on the fan, you want to remove the retaining nut for the 17mm ball joint. You want to slide it over the ball joint. Make sure that the thread is facing back towards the fan, clip it together, and then screw it down tight. And the same as the cup holder, you just want to slide it down in place and press it in firmly. Next, you're going to plug in the connector to the USB port. Turn your vehicle on or put it in accessory mode, and now you can turn on the fan. Press the button again for speed setting 2, again for speed setting 3, and again to turn it off. Hard to see the fan getting faster, but it is going through those settings. Going back to the cup holder, here you can see you can use it as a phone mount as well. It holds your phone firmly in place as you go down the road. And here you can see those 4 integrated hooks. Press here and they open up nice and easily. This is a random bag of tools I had and it holds them without issue.
As you can see, a very easy install. They're designed to clip over where your original headrests are, and then your headrests go through them to hold them in place. They've got little clips that clip around the headrest mounts just to make them secure. They've got a couple of accessories with them. You've got a cup holder, which also integrates a phone mount, and then you've got a 3-speed fan that plugs into the USB port in the back there. They're interchangeable, so you can put them on either side. And that's a universal ball joint. It's a 17mm ball joint that the fan clips to. So if you have a different mount for something, then you can just clip that straight into there. They've got a rubber spacer on the back so that it mitigates any kind of shaking or rattling and stops them from popping out of there. There's a link to the product in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.